Having a document security background and working out of Africa at the time, I looked at the traditional ways of securing documents and figured there could be a better way to do the security of documents without having to put large amounts of money upfront to secure the paper, to go through the printing process. A simpler, much easier way of securing documents end-to-end. On the back of the 2008 recession, I decided to move back to Nigeria to work with my father, and it was while I was working there that I figured I could do document security in a different way by simplifying the methods to come up with something easier end-to-end for both consumers as well as document issuers themselves.